Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you topic simple equations of class 7th. Aims and objectives: to know about constants and variables, to learn about equation and solution of an equation, different methods of solving an equation, and application of simple equations to practical situation. First definition is of constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 5, 27, 78, all these are constants. Variables: a symbol which takes various numerical values is known as a variable. The value of the variable is not fixed. Variables are usually denoted by letters of the alphabets X, Y, Z, M, N, etc. Equation: an equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. For example, 3x plus 15, it's an example of an algebraic expression, and 3x plus 20 equal to 20, that one is an example of an equation. Remark: first remark is, in an equation there is always an equality sign, and the second remark is, the equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left of the sign, that is the left hand side, is equal to the value of the expression to the right of the sign, that is right hand side. Now 5x plus 9 equal 24. It's an example of an equation. In this equation we have three terms. First term is 5x, second term is 9, and the third term is 24, where 9 and the number 24 are the constant terms. X is the variable and 5 is the coefficient of x. 5x plus 9 is the left hand side and 24 will be the right hand side. Now solution of an equation: the value of a variable which satisfies the given equation is called the root or solution of the given equation. Let's take one example. 2x minus 5 equals to 3. We want to find the solution of this equation. For this, we will put the different value of x. In the end, we will check that left hand side and right hand side will become same at some particular value of x. Then that value will become the solution or root of the given equation. I will solve only the left hand side, since in the right hand side there is no variable. Let's start. Left hand side, 2x minus 5. Firstly put x equals to 0. 2 multiplies 0 minus 5, that is 0 minus 5. Answer will be minus 5, which is not equals to 3. Now I will put x equals to 1. 2 multiply 1 minus 5. 2 minus 5 plus minus will be minus. Answer will be minus 3. Since 5 is bigger number, it's negative. So answer will be negative. Again minus 3 is not equals to right hand side. Now I will put x equals to 2. 2 multiply 2 minus 5, that is 4 minus 5 will be minus 1. Next, I will put x equals to 3. 2 multiply 3 minus 5, that is 6 minus 5. Answer will be 1. Next, x equals to 4. 2 multiply 4, 8. 8 minus 5 will be 3, which is equals to right hand side. Hence, therefore, x equals to 4 is the root or solution of the given equation. Let's see first example. Write the given statement in the form of an equation. First part is the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. The meaning of 3 times x, that is 3 multiply x. The sum of 3 times x, that is 3x. Meaning of sum is we have to take its sum, that is plus 11 is means equality. 32 means 32, that is 3x plus 11 equals to 32. Let's see second example. Convert the given equation in statement form. Now we are given the equation and we have to write it in statement form. M upon 5 minus 2 equals to 6. That is 1 upon 5 means 1/5 of a number m minus 2 is 6. That is 1/5 of m minus 2 is 6. Methods of solving an equation. First method is trial and error method. Second method is performing same operations on both sides of the equation. And the third method is the transposition method. Trial and error method. Solve equation 5p plus 2 equals 17 by trial and error method. Let's start its solution. I will solve only the left hand side since in right hand side there is no variable. Firstly, I will put p equals to 0. Then left hand side will become 5 multiplies 0 plus 2, that is the number 2 only. Then I will put p equals to 1. 5 multiply 1 plus 2, that is 5 plus 2, which will be equal to 7. That one is not equals to right hand side. Then I will put p equals to 2. 5 multiply 2 plus 2, that is 10 plus 2, which is equals to 12. Again it's not equal to right hand side. Then I will put p equals to 3. 5 multiply 3 will be 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. Now left hand side and right hand side will become same. Hence therefore p equals to 3 is the solution of given equation. Now performing same operations on both sides of the equation. Rule 1. If we add the same number to both sides of the equation, then it's both sides of an equality, then it still holds. For example, x minus 3 equals to 7. Adding the number 3 on both sides, then left hand side will become x minus 3 plus 3 and right hand side 7 plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3 both will become 0, that is x equals to 10. Rule 2. If we subtract the same number from both sides of the equality, again it still holds. For example, x plus 3 equals 8. Now I want to calculate the value of x. For this, I will subtract the number 3 from both sides. Then left hand side will become x plus 3 minus 3 and right hand side will be 8 minus 3. That is x equals to 5. Rule 3. Similarly, we can do multiply or divide by the same non-zero number to both sides of an equality, then it still holds. Now, the next method is the transposition method. While solving linear equations using transposition method, we must remember that if we are shifting the terms to the other side of the equality sign, then plus change to negative, negative sign change to positive, multiply change to divide, and divide changes into multiply. Now the applications of simple equation to practical situation. Question 1. When you multiply a number by 6 and subtract 5 from the product, you get 7. Can you tell what the number is? Let's start its solution. We want to calculate the number, so I will assume let the number equals to 7. Now according to question, I want to multiply the given number by 6, that is 6 multiply y. and I want to subtract 5 from the product, that is minus 5. The result is 7, that is equals to 7. Y multiplies 6 will be 6y, minus 5 equals to 7. Now I will transpose 5 to right hand side, then it will become positive, that is 6y equals to 7 plus 5. That is 6y equals to 7 plus 5 will be 12. I want to calculate the value of y and the coefficient of y is 6. So I will do divide by 6 on both sides. That is 6y upon 6 equals to 12 upon 6. 6 and 6 both are cancelled out. That is the value of y equals to 2. Hence the given number equals to 2. See second question. What is the number 1/3 of which added to 5 gives 8? Let's start the solution. I want to calculate the number, so I will assume that let the number be z. 1/3 means 1 upon 3 multiply z. Added to 5 means plus 5 gives 8 means equals to 8. That is 1 by 3 multiply z equals to 5 is a constant term, 8 is also a constant term, so I will transpose 5 to right hand side, it will become negative 1 by 3z 1 by 3z equals to 8 minus 5. Since when I will transpose 5 to right hand side, it will become negative, that is 1 by 3z equals to 3. I can write it as z upon 3 equals to 3. Here the coefficient of z is 1 upon 3. I want to calculate the value of 3. So I will do multiply by 3 on both sides. Then z by 3 multiply 3 equals to 3 into 3. The left hand side 3 and 3 both are cancelled out. The z equals to 9. Hence therefore the number equals to 9. This is the mind map. In this mind map, we are given the definition of simple equation, meaning how will I solve these type of equations by transposition method or by performing this same operations on both sides of the equation. Now that is the assignment which is based on the simple equation. Question number 1 to 7 are multiple choice questions, and after that we are given the short questions. Thank you.